Types of nouns. Nouns are an important part of speech in English, probably second only to verbs. It is difficult to say much without using a noun. There are several different types of English nouns. It is often useful to recognize what type a noun is because different types sometimes have different rules. This helps you to use them correctly. Common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns. Most nouns are common nouns. Common nouns refer to people, places and things in general like chair or dog. Any noun that is not a name is a common noun. Examples: teacher, car, music, danger, receipt, have you seen my dog, the books are on your desk, the pursuit of happiness. Proper nouns, names of people, places or organizations are proper nouns. Your name is a proper noun. London is a proper noun. United Nations is a proper noun. Rule: proper nouns always start with a capital letter. Examples: Jane, Thailand, Sunday, James Bond, Einstein, Superman, Game of Thrones, Shakespeare. Let me introduce you to Mary. The capital of Italy is Rome. He is the chairman of the British Broadcasting Corporation. I was born in November.